My name is Umamaheswar Duvvuri, and I am an associate professor of otolaryngology and head and neck surgery at the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center. I'm also the director of the Robotics Steering Committee, which is a system-wide robotics initiative at UPMC, and the founder and medical director for Pittsburgh Creates. Surgical innovation is something that's near and dear to my heart. I've been involved with surgical innovation for many years. My undergraduate degree and graduate degrees are actually in bioengineering. So as a young faculty member, I realized that there was significant opportunity for physician collaboration with industries because a lot of medical devices get rolled out in a very organic fashion, and there is very little formal interaction in general between physicians who are ultimately the end users of these products and the companies that make them. So it seemed to me that there was a great opportunity for creating a platform really that provides an opportunity for interaction between surgeons, scientists, and ultimately the companies that will actualize some of these concepts and inventions. And that really is the groundwork for Pittsburgh Creates. Medical innovation in the most general sense is the ability to take concepts from innovation to actual fruition. And so this is a complete product life cycle, if you want to think of it that way. So this requires us to develop technologies that can be ultimately translated to patient care. The best way for this to happen, in my opinion, is to actually have feedback from the physicians and the end users of these products so that the products can be defined and created in the best possible way at the first offset so that you don't have to go through iterative processes and iterative formations of these devices. So Pittsburgh Creates provides a platform really for companies to interact with surgeons, scientists, engineers, and to some extent the end users, including the insurance payers as well as the hospital administrators who end up actually deciding how to purchase these devices, this equipment. So Pittsburgh Creates provides a really exciting opportunity to engage industry with both scientists as well as administrators in the healthcare space to make sure that innovations get rolled out to patients in as seamless and effective a way as possible. We are constantly faced with problem solving, so we are always looking for ways to take care of our patients in a better fashion. So I'd like to think of my engineering background as being really as fundamental, as seminal in how I tackle my patients' problems. And so I am very fond of bringing to bear disruptive technologies to the care of my patients. An example of this is the use of flexible robotics in the head and neck cancer space. Most robotic technologies are actually rigid or use straight stick instruments, but at Carnegie Mellon we had the opportunity to work with one of the surgical scientists over there to think about creating a flexible robotic platform, and we were then able to develop that robotic platform into an FDA approved device, which is now used to take care of patients with head and neck cancer at UPMC. So this is just one example of how we continue to develop at UPMC and why we're constantly looking for ways to incorporate innovative practices into the care of our patients.